Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss the single answer for the TSBI second year English for the current second year batch second module prose lesson opportunities for youth by Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister of India. Today his birthday is being celebrated as a Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru's speech, it is actually opportunities for youth. Wonderful lesson, so wonderful message, so many valuable points are there for the youth, especially for the youngsters. And this is a speech given in around 1950 after getting our independence. So then the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, he wanted to stop the migration when all the educated youth of India were going to foreign countries. When they were going abroad, he wanted to stop the migration. He urged them, he requested them, he appealed to them to serve Mother India. Okay, friends, I have made so many videos on various lessons and grammar topics of second year. Please watch those videos also. Now we have four questions and four annotations here. So here we go now. Have a look at the annotations. First of all, thought without action is abortion. Action without thought is folly. Folly means foolishness. Second one, happiness after all is an inner state of mind. It is little dependent on our outside environment. Third one, great novels always make one thing because they are pictures of life painted by great minds. Wonderful quotation about the novels and writers. Fourth one, there will be always a need for engineer and scientist. They can't fade away. If the politician may fade away, politician will fade away in 5 years if he loses the election, but an educationist will never fade away. Okay. Next, we have questions. Four questions. What is happiness according to Jawaharlal Nehru? What quality of Gandhi does Nehru appreciate in the essay? Nehru advises us to develop the art of thinking. He shows the way also how to develop our art of thinking. Explain. The mere act of minding of aiming at something big makes big. Elaborate. So these are the questions. Now, have a look at the single answer for these annotations and question answers. Okay, we have the single answer now, right? Yes. Opportunities for youth. Here we go now. The present essay, Opportunities for Youth, is written by Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. It is a speech given by him. The present lesson is a message given to the youth of India. Nehru explains in a very clear manner that every activity we do is preceded by thought. Every activity must be preceded by thought. Thought without action is abortion. Action without thought is foolishness. Okay? Thought, action, both must be there. But our youth, we have thought, but we don't have action. We fail in the execution. That's why we are not reaching the goals. Many of us are not becoming successful because we lack in the execution of planning. We have planning, but we don't have implementation. Okay, that is the point here. It is very clear that both thought and action are very important. The youth of the country should achieve coordination of thoughts and actions. He says that happiness is an inner state of mind. It doesn't depend on outside environment. It doesn't depend on money, power, nothing. He says that Nehru says that I have seen so many rich people yet they are not happy. Money can't give you happiness. Okay. Gandhi always draws out the good in others. He only sees the good and lays emphasis on that good. So Nehru urges us to follow the golden way showed by Gandhiji. Speak always good about others. Please forget the minus points, weaknesses of others. Okay. Finding fault with others won't help us. We can't go anywhere by finding fault in others. Okay. He asked the youth to develop thinking powers by reading great people's thoughts. Any writing that makes people think is a useful book. Nehru says that great novels make people think. He says that our country requires a good number of engineers, mechanics, and other technicians for our plans, 5-year plans. He says that these trained experts are always needed for the betterment of the lives, so they can never be faded away. On the contrary, politicians may fade away. The act of aiming big certainly makes one big. Nehru says that the youth of the country have immense power in them. They should utilize their power to achieve something worthwhile. Aim for the stars, aim for the stars. Have big thoughts, have big goals, lofty goals. This is the message given by Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, friends, I hope that you have understood the concept, the main point, central idea of the lesson. Okay, right. We meet again very soon with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.